Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer money from your Uber Pro card to your bank account. It's actually a very easy and simple process, and they actually give you two transfer options. One is an instant transfer. There's actually fees that apply here, okay? And there's also the standard transfer. This one does take 3 to 5 business days, okay? But this is completely free, no fees. All right. And this one actually charges you a fee, basically a 2% of the transaction amount. And for anything greater than that amount. Now, what you need to do is navigate to the wallet tab in the app. Okay. Then you just want to tap on move funds. Then you just select a transfer option. So I showed you these two. You can choose whichever one you want depending on how fast you need the money. The instant transfer actually, you get it within 30 minutes usually. So you can go ahead and choose that if you need it instantly. Of course, fees will apply. Okay? Just choose your transfer option, then enter the amount of funds that you would like to transfer from your wallet, and then just swipe up to submit on the confirmation page. Otherwise, it's really easy and simple. So, I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.